Aloha, everyone. This is Reno from LeniLani Consulting here in Honolulu, Hawaii. Yesterday, I had a call with a restaurant owner in Waikiki who told me they're losing about $3,000 a month because their staff can't keep up with reservation questions on social media and their website. Does this sound familiar? Today, I'm sharing the 5 warning signs that your business desperately needs a custom chatbot, and more importantly, what it's actually costing you every single day you wait. If you're a business owner getting overwhelmed by customer questions, or you're manually doing things that should be automated, this video is for you. Sign number 1. Your team is answering the same questions over and over again. I'm talking about, what are your hours? Do you deliver? What's your pricing? Where are you located? If your staff, whether that's you, your receptionist, or your customer service team, is spending more than 30 minutes a day answering these basic questions, you're bleeding money. Here's the math. If someone making $20 an hour spends just 30 minutes daily on repetitive questions, that's $2,600 a year. But here's what most businesses don't realize. While they're answering basic questions, they're not focusing on actual sales, complex customer needs, or growing the business. A custom chatbot handles these instantly, 24/7, and frees your team to focus on what actually makes money. Sign number 2. You're losing customers outside business hours. This is huge, especially here in Hawaii, where we serve clients across multiple time zones. I have mainland clients calling at 6 a.m. my time, which is 9 a.m. on the West Coast. If someone visits your website at 11 p.m. looking for information or wanting to schedule something, and there's no way for them to get immediate answers, most of them just leave. Studies show 67% of people expect immediate responses online. Your chatbot works while you sleep. It's collecting leads, answering questions, and even scheduling appointments when your competition is completely offline. Sign number 3. Your customer service quality is inconsistent. This happens when different team members give different answers, or when someone new doesn't know all your services yet. I worked with a spa here in Honolulu where some staff would forget to mention their couple's packages, literally leaving money on the table. A custom chatbot gives the same accurate, complete information every single time. It can be programmed with your exact pricing, all your services, current promotions, everything. No more, let me check with my manager, or forgetting to upsell. Sign number 4. You're not capturing leads effectively. How many people visit your website, look around, and leave without giving you their contact info? For most businesses, it's about 97%. That's 97 out of 100 potential customers just vanishing. A smart chatbot can engage visitors immediately, offer something valuable, like a free consultation or a discount, and capture their information before they leave. It can even qualify leads for you so you know which ones are worth your time to call back. And sign number 5. You're manually scheduling appointments or calls. If you're still playing phone tag or sending multiple emails just to book a simple meeting, you're making it too hard for people to give you money. The easier you make it for customers to buy from you, the more they will. I built a chatbot for a local contractor that automatically schedules estimates based on his calendar availability. It increased his bookings by 40% in the first month because people could schedule instantly instead of waiting for callbacks. Here's what this is really costing you. It's not just the time and money, it's the growth you're missing. Every potential customer who leaves because they couldn't get immediate answers. Every lead that doesn't convert because the process was too complicated. Every hour your team spends on repetitive tasks instead of growing the business. Most businesses lose between $5,000 and $15,000 annually just from these inefficiencies, and that's conservative. The good news? This is completely fixable. A properly built custom chatbot pays for itself within the first few months, and keeps saving you money and time every single day after that. If you recognized your business in any of these 5 signs, let's talk. This is Reno from LeniLani Consulting, and I help businesses here in Hawaii and on the mainland build custom AI solutions that actually work. Click the link in the description to schedule a free 15-minute consultation. We'll look at your specific situation, and I'll show you exactly how a chatbot could work for your business. And if you found this helpful, hit subscribe. I share practical AI and tech tips for business owners every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Aloha.